Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and the Camo X4 is making another appearance on our workbench today for some durability upgrades. And yes, I said some. We're going to install 2 parts today, and these are some great upgrades for those of you who are really hard on your buggy. The parts that we'll be installing today are the front aluminum top plate and the front bumper mount. Now obviously beyond the parts, you're going to need a few tools to install these parts: a 2mm hex driver, your wheel wrench, we recommend some thread lock, and you're going to need 2 3x10mm flathead screws to secure the front bumper mount. Alright, let's get to work. Okay, we've already taken off the body, and we're going to start by removing the composite top plate from the front of the buggy. All you have to do is take your 2mm hex driver and remove the 4 screws that secure the plate to the top of the gearbox and the steering posts. Once you take out the 4 screws, simply remove the top plate and slide the new aluminum plate into place. Once the new top plate's in place, reinstall the screws, making sure that the tapping screws go into the front gear case and the machine screws go into the steering posts. It's a good idea to add a little bit of Loctite to the steering post screws. Now let's replace that front bumper mount. Start by removing your front wheels, followed by removing the 2 screws that hold the bumper to the mount. Flip the buggy over and remove the 2 screws that secure the mount to the chassis. And of course, remove the mount. And now we can reinstall the mount. Make sure to use the 2 3x10mm flathead machine screws to secure the mount to the chassis. Make sure to use thread lock on all the screws that go into the mount. Reinstall the bumper screws, and then reinstall the wheels. Thanks again for checking into the Redcat University. Links to the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit the subscribe button. We'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.